What's the meaning of commend? Commend. Commend.
Commend. Commend. To commend someone or something means to express approval, admiration, or recommendation. It is an act of praising or endorsing a person or thing for their merits or qualities. When someone is commended, it can boost their confidence and motivate them to continue working hard. Similarly, when a product or service is commended, it can attract more customers and boost sales. However, it is important to note that excessive commendation may also lead to complacency and loss of motivation to improve further. Ultimately, commendation is a powerful tool that should be used wisely.